Herbaceous flowering plants. Herbaceous flowering plants typically have green, non-woody stems, and tend to be relatively short-lived. Many herbaceous plants live for only 1 or 2 years. Annuals, for example, sweet peas, grow from seed, produce flowers and then seeds, and die within a single year. Biennials, for example, carrots, have a 2-year life cycle. In the first year, seeds grow into plants, which produce leaves and store food in underground storage organs. The stems and foliage then die back in winter. In the second year, new stems grow from the storage organs, produce leaves, flowers, and seeds, and then die. Some herbaceous plants, for example, potatoes, are perennial. They grow back year after year, producing shoots and flowers in spring, storing food in underground tubers or rhizomes during summer, dying back in autumn, and surviving underground during winter.